Hello Ace1, hello Sergio, hello Bryce, hello Chloe, hello Carlotta, hello Danny, and Fonzie. Hello Fonzie, how are you? Today, welcome to my science lab. Today we've got some eggs to paint for Easter. So we've got the paint brushes and we've got some paints. Right, first of all, how about mixing some colours? What do you think? What do you think, Ted? What should we mix? How about blue and red? What do you think? If we mix blue and red, what's the colour? What colour do we get? Should we try? Let's try and find out. A little bit of blue and a little bit of red. Ooh, what's the colour? We need a bit more blue. What's the colour? Is it purple? It should be purple. It's kind of reddy purple. Yeah, that's a good colour. And what about if we mix all the colours? What about if we mix green as well? Let's put a little bit of this one in here. What about a little bit of green too? What do you think? What's the colour going to be? Ooh. Can you see? What colour's that? It looks brown to me. Well, very good. We'll put these colours here and we'll do some painting in a minute. Today we've got a special story. And the story is about a country called Egypt. This is Africa, and look, Egypt is up here at the top. Can you see it's a country with a big long river that goes up to the sea? Spain's up here somewhere, on my chin. So come over, come a little bit close. Here, look, this is the story about Egypt and it's in your class book. But open the back of the book, remember? And go back to page 100 and 101. And Lola and Monty are going to have an adventure called the Science Project in Egypt. Can you see? Here it says Egypt. Let's have a look at the letters. Let's have a look at the letters that spell Egypt first, because it's a bit of a strange name. So here are all the letters. Can we put them in order? Can we put them in order so they spell Egypt like it says here? So what's the first letter? Yes, well done. E, G, Y, Egypt, Egypt. Very good. Yeah. Right, let's read the story. Let's read the story. So picture number 1. Do you remember Monty and Lola? Monty and Lola are in the classroom at school. This is the science teacher, Mr. Lab. Mr. Lab says, please put the books in the cupboard. And now write about Egypt for homework. Monty and Lola like the book cupboard, don't they? Lola says, okay, come on, Monty. And they go through the magic door. And suddenly, now Monty and Lola are in ancient Egypt. Hello. My name is Ra. This is the desert. Wow, it's hot and sunny. Oh no, I'm wearing a dress. Look, he's wearing a dress. Oh dear. Next, Monty and Lola and Ra are in a pyramid. See the pyramid here? They've gone inside the pyramid. These are Egyptian numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Monty counts 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at 10. It's just a big curve like this. And the other ones you can count. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The other ones are just all lines. Then Monty and Lola and Ra see animals. Look, birds and a cat. Egyptians like cats. Can you see the birds and a cat? Monty says, I like cats too. But Lola says, I don't like cats. Do you like cats? I know Bryce likes cats. I can't remember the rest of you. Right, up here, picture number 5. Then Monty, Lola and Ra see a farm. Here's a farmer. He's got goats and ducks. Can you see the goats and the ducks? Is this a goat? Ah, here are the ducks and here are the goats. Monty says he's got a bull too. Is this a bull? It isn't a bull, it's a cow. Well done, Lola. Then Monty, Lola and Ra are hungry. Egyptians grow fruit. Look, on the tree. These fruit are figs. Do you like figs? Do you like figs? Says Lola. No, I don't, says Monty, but I like grapes. So there are some purple grapes for Monty and some green figs for Lola. Can you see the figs? They grow on trees and you can eat them in August. They're green and a little bit red in the middle. Now, look at this picture, picture number 7. Now Monty, Lola and Ra are in a small boat. Do you remember the river? This is the River Nile. It's very long. It's very long. And there's the door to the book cupboard. Look. I think it's time to go back to school. 1 week later, Monty and Lola have finished their homework. Here's your homework, says Mr. Lab, about Egypt. It's excellent. Excellent means it's very, very, very good. Hurrah, says Monty. Thank you, Mr. Lab, says Lola. Well done, Monty and Lola. A very good project. Well done. Right. Now I think you need to look in your activity books. Again, go to the back and open the back of the book. And page 96 is all about the story. So remember the story, or you can read the story again, and tick or cross. Tick if it's correct, cross if it's wrong. So the first one, number 1, Monty and Lola are in the desert. Yes, that's right. Monty and Lola are in the desert. Well done. Tick. The farmer, number 2, the farmer has got chickens. Chickens? No. The farmer hasn't got chickens. Number 3, it's cold in Egypt. Look at the story. No, it isn't cold. It's hot and sunny. Cross for number 3. And number 4, the river is long. The river is long? Yes, Ra says it's very long. So a tick for number 4. Well done. Right, let's do exercise number 2. Read and write the number. Here are the numbers and here are the pictures. So, number 1 says, do you like figs? Which picture is number 1? Do you like figs? Well done. This is the picture where they're eating figs and grapes. Do you like figs? Monty says, no, I don't. So number 1 here. Number 2, I'm wearing a dress. Where's the picture? I'm wearing a dress. Yep, picture 2. Look at Monty's face. I'm wearing a dress. Number 3, here's a farmer. Can you see the farm and the farmer? Yes, this is picture 3. Here's a farmer and all his animals. And number 4, I don't like cats. I think that's this picture. Look, here's a cat. And Lola says, I don't like cats. Well done. Right, time for a quick animal game. Can you see my animals? In my animals book. Let's listen and you tell me the animal. Can you listen? What is that? Ted, you coming? Ted's thinking about it, yes. It's a chicken, isn't it? Okay, another one.
Bah. Bah.
No, not a pig. It's a sheep. Well done. Another one? That's a funny noise, but I think, yes, that's a duck, isn't it? And the last one? Oh my goodness, very good. No, a pig. Well done, Ted. Thank you. Now let's look at this picture. How many animals? How many animals are there in this picture? How many? That's right, 7. 7 animals in this picture. What about in the story? What about in the story? If you look back and count all the animals in the story, how many animals are there in the story? Can you count? Yes, that's right. 6 animals. There are 6 animals in this story. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You missed the ducks. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 animals in this story. Can you see any more? No. 10 animals. 10 animals in the story. Well done. So on page 97 of your activity books, can you see the animal? This is a cat. We need to look in this rectangle and write all the animals here. So number 1 is bull. Bull's an animal, isn't it? So bull here. Figs. Hat. 8. Sunny. Grapes. Cow. Yes, cow's an animal. Duck. Yes, duck's an animal. 6. Cat. Yep, cat is an animal. This is a cat. And goat. Do you remember the goat? It's a bit like a sheep, but different. Goat's an animal. And number 3. So all the animals here. Then all the numbers here. Then all the fruit here. 2 different types of fruit. All the fruit here. And all the weather here. What's the weather in the story? The weather is hot and sunny. Hot and sunny. That's the weather. Hot and sunny. Very good. Right. Time to play a game. Let's play a little matching game. Then we'll go back to the book. So, Ted, let's put all my pink cards on this side and all my yellow cards on this side. Can you see, Ted? Right, we need to put these words together, see which ones match. So think about the story, Ted. Think about the book. White. White. What did you see that was white in the story? A desert? A dress? Grapes? Boat or a river? I don't know. A dress. Yes, that's right. Monty was wearing a white dress. Well done. A white dress. What about purple? Purple. What was purple in the story? Can you remember? A purple river? No. I think the river was blue. No, I think the river was blue. How about purple grapes? Yes, well done. Well done. Now, something small. Something small. What was small in the story? A small boat. Very good. A small boat. And long. What was long in the story? A long desert? No, I don't think so. It was a long river. And hot. A hot desert. Yes, hot and sunny. Thank you, Ted. Thank you very much. Right, the last part. Can we let the children see the books, please? The last part is part 5. Write some sentences. So this is Monty, and Monty says, I'm in the... It's hot and... I'm wearing a... I like... I don't like... And I've got the words to help you. Let me put them out. Here are the words that you can use. So you can pause the video here and look at these words. We've got desert, sunny, dress, grapes and figs. So you copy these words and put them to finish the sentences. And then take a photo and email it to me and I'll tell you how you're doing. Okay. Oh, Ted, it's nearly time to say goodbye. It's nearly time to say goodbye. Should we say goodbye and then we can paint? It's nearly time to paint the eggs. I tell you what, you can start painting. You do a little bit of painting. Here's your paintbrush. Here's your paint. Ted likes brown. You paint the eggs a little bit. And I'd like to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, A1. Bye-bye. I'll see you on Thursday. Take care. Have a nice week. Bye.